Ooh, 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 ooh. Before I go for a run, hey, doggy, how are you? Come, come. Nice doggy. Now he likes me. Nice doggy. Nice doggy. Okay? This female dog follows me when I do my videos. So good, now I have a companion. Okay, so after I woke up in the morning, I did my basic work and emails and all that. I called up my friend in India, Alex. Okay, he's that young computer boy who does accounts work. He's a good friend. I consider him a good friend because he keeps, if I have any IT related questions, he answers. So I asked him a question as we were talking. Asked him a question. What did he think of my content? And I know for a fact this guy will tell me the truth. He doesn't lie about it. So he told me, he told me too many videos. He's saying I see only when I'm free. Just maybe one or, whatever, once in 3 days or whatever. And he said, I said, say, listen, you can give me the honest criticism about my content. Don't sugarcoat it. I prefer it that way. He and I have an open relationship where we can be honest with each other. So he told me, whenever I watch your videos, I know what you're going to say because I've seen so many videos of yours. I know what you'll say. So, so I told him, yeah, of course, because, I'm not going to change anything drastically from my opinion. For example, my stance on education or love or marriage, or in fact even the area that I walk is going to be more or less the same. My face and demeanor is going to be the same. The only thing that might change is obviously maybe if I'm going somewhere out, a new place, maybe if I visit a temple, I can show you that. Otherwise it's more or less the same. Now, see, here's the thing. Here's what you need to keep in mind. At some point, like I've told before, people, tend to get bored. Like, for example, let's say you're watching WWE wrestling. Okay? They keep changing the storylines. They keep making this guy good, bad, funny. They add a little bit of variety. But at some point, you'll be like, the same thing again and again and again. Then you might watch it once a while. Say you check Logan Paul or you check Unbox Therapy, or unless they do something new, you're watching more or less the same person, the same content, right? People try to make something different. Like, for example, Unbox Therapy, I was speaking to this guy. I used to love his videos before where the camera was fixed and he had a table and he was opening the box, the product. It was a great experience. But then he started, after he upgraded his studio, he started moving the camera, he started having wide angle shots. He even started a podcast. I don't listen much to the podcast. But very soon I found out that essence which was there, that opening the box experience, I no longer had that and I lost interest. Linus Tech Tips, initially I used to watch him because I felt he gave an honest review. Now he has 4 or 5 channels and almost all his content is sponsored. So for a fact it's all sponsored videos, And then, yes, he gives the analysis, but it lost that sincerity. Dave 2Lee I like very much. I really like his content. Even though he changed his studio, he's changed his place where he's doing the shooting, that genuine factor is still there. I still like the fact that he talks about laptops and phones. He has not changed it much. By the way, Unbox Therapy has changed. Now he does weird ass reviews and all. I used to like Mr. Who's the Boss. He upgraded his channel into quite a lot of fluff and graphics and all that. And I think he's aiming towards making it perfect, you know. So one video, hardly like one video a week or one video every 2 weeks, and obviously his videos clock up to millions. But I don't know, I feel something is missing from what it used to be before, that simplicity. Maybe it's just me, you know. Then your average consumer has to like his videos, but now it's become too much of a moving camera and he's talking and I lost interest there also. So MKBHD I watch, I think is good. He sometimes watches what do you call that, does car reviews and all that, but I don't watch so much for the tech as much as listening to his opinion. I feel he has a good logical opinion, and you know, he has a very nice style. I like his style. Dave Tully I like. So those are the channels I watch every day. Then the other channels like Wrestling Bios I used to watch, but now started to get bored of it. I used to watch I still watch these news channels of MMA On Point, MMA Digest, you know, all these MMA fighting channels. But then see what happens, the main thing which I was telling you is you'll keep watching a particular channel or presenter or you know, type of content, and this will continue until some point you'll get bored. Now the challenge with channels like mine, we tend to give thoughts and opinions and ideas of our own philosophies. Like for example, Sadhguru, or you know, Jay Shetty, I don't like him anyway. Sadhguru, or let's say anyone else, just think of someone. At some point you'll feel that okay, I've heard it all. Like even Jordan Peterson, I love his content, but more or less I know that what he's going to say or what is his stance. So at some point you're like, okay, that's enough, you know. So even with me, I guess at some point all of you will be like, okay, I know what Loy is going to say about this. So this is a reality of life, you know. This is the part where you cannot change. Now if I wanted, I could start doing travel blogs, go to different restaurants and shoot, and go to different outlets, but then there's an opportunity cost involved. I will have to stop, because remember, you tend to have 24 hours a day. You can't do everything, so I'll have to stop something, sacrifice something for this. So obviously maybe videos like this will suffer, or my work, maybe if I was able to, you know, interact with more clients, I'll be able to interact with less clients. So you have to be careful that when you shift your focus, you don't end up making the wrong choice. Because sometimes when you change what you are or what you do, the chances, will it hit or miss or fail or succeed, you do not know, you know. So you have to be very careful when you change. You know, like if you check the Coca-Cola, when it changed its flavor, they did the experiment and found out people loved the new Coke. For those of you who are young, who do not know what I'm talking about, just Google search new Coke. Robert Goizueta, yeah, he was a CEO and chairman. So, you know, they tested it and we found out everyone loves it over Pepsi. But when they officially launched it, the whole thing backfired, because people are like, no, we like nostalgia. You're robbing us of our old classic Coke. And that is why classic Coke came back, you know. Classic Coke came back in and they kept it at that. So look, I know for a fact that people will come and go. People who admire my content, who keep commenting, at some point they'll move away. You know, hardcore fans. I've been in touch with some guys who literally used to send me messages every day, and now they're no longer there, you know. Like right now, maybe it's Swastik Patel who will you'll see this guy commenting like 50 times below every video. I've let him be as he is, because at some point, when his priorities change in life, he will move on. There are these other guys, Arvind or Blue Sky or something, they always comment first on every video. I observe, I notice that. I know for a fact eventually they will move on. Priorities change, we change. So you need to stick to your core, irrespective. People come and go, but that doesn't mean you should not evolve. How do you evolve? Is study, learn, grow, try new things, but not at the sacrifice of your core. My core is personal branding. My core is the UAE Dubai market. My core is self-improvement. Family videos have come in, now that I'm a family man. But overall, it's like if you keep watching all my content, at some point you'll be like, I know what Loy is going to say, and that's obvious because my core doesn't change. It's like talking to your parents. You know what your parents' stand is. You'll also face this. That's a point I'm trying to tell you. It's not just me who's thinking about. You also have to think, how can you evolve? How can you grow? How can you become better in the face of changing times, changing preferences? People are growing old, and what is that something new you can do? Yogi? Come in. Yogi? Yeah. They like to be petted, So, anyway. This is what I wanted to share with you guys. The reality, the fact that eventually you will get bored. Eventually you'll have to move on, and the new comes in, the old goes, and I also have to keep evolving and improving. And the most important is you also have to. Otherwise you'll also get outdated and boring. End of the day, find what keeps you happy, makes you happy, helps you sustain, and the regular stuff that I always say. Hey doggy. Maybe when you check my video after a few months, maybe this doggy would have grown. He's a Chihuahua, he's not going to grow. Hey, walking. Give him a snack. Alright, you guys take care. Appreciate you being with me for however long it is. Take care, be safe. Ciao.